Hey guys, so today I have the December Witch Casket box to show you. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide. I'll put the prices that I do know down below in the description in case anyone wants to have a look at that. But we are just going to open this. I've not seen what is in it yet. I never open them first or anything, so let's see. Okay, so right on the top we have our little booklet as always, and like I said, this is the December 2024 box. The theme seems to be black and dark red, which I really like. Very gothy and like spooky vibes, I feel like. And the theme for this one is sacred space. So if you haven't had one of these before, this booklet just tells you about all of the items in the box, how to use them, stuff like that. We're not going to go through that because I'm going to show you, but that is what the booklet is. So sacred space is our theme. And then we have our little mini art print for the month. So this one is kind of like some little witches or just women around a cauldron in the night. And it's got little trees at the sides. This one kind of looks like a nun, honestly. Little candles and stuff. The same black and dark red colour scheme. And if you don't want to use it as an art print, they now also do this back thing, which is a monthly manifestations. And it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? So that is that. Then next we have our little spell kit. So this one is an altar blessing candle spell kit. It says it contains all you need to cleanse and bless your sacred space. So let's open this one and see what is in here. Okay, so we have our little instructions. I will hold that up in a sec in case anyone wants to pause and read it. And then we've also got some rosemary, chamomile, and a little tea light. So they are the three things that we need to do our spell. And this is the instructions for that one. And that was everything in our Altar Blessings candle spell kit. Then next we have a little black pouch, seems to be jingling, and it's got little symbols all over it. So it's got moons, candles, stars, bells, pentacles, stuff like that. So let's see what is jingling in here. Oh, so this is just a little altar bell. Very cute. It's like a brassy colour. It's got a pentacle on the top and then a little moon and stars engraved down here. It just says, ring a bell to signify the beginning and the end of rituals. Altar bells can be also used for cleansing and banishing, as ringing a bell clears away stagnant and negative energies. So that is our little cute bell that we've got in this little pouch. Then next we have our crystal or gemstone for the month. And this one is a lava kite. Never heard of that before, honestly. Very pretty though. It's kind of looking like a labradorite. It's got a lot of flashes of blue and grey and stuff in there. Hopefully you can see that. Very flashy stone. It's a pretty one. It says a protective and grounding stone which can help us to connect with the earth's energies. Lava kite can help to enhance psychic abilities and intuition. This is a powerful stone to help us adapt to changes and transitions. So that is honestly one that I've not heard of before, and it is very, very pretty. Then next we have this. It says it's a black salt ash collector. A beautiful black walnut incense burner and ash collector. Collect ash from your incense and blend it with salt to create a black salt for protection. Okay, interesting. Okay, so it's just a little wooden incense burner kind of, really. It says witch casket inscribed on the bottom, and then it's got like your little hole for your incense here, and obviously as it drops down and burns it will collect in this kind of indent here. Not the most interesting looking, if we're honest, but maybe a good kind of practical use item. So that is a little incense burner that you use to collect the ash and make black salt for protection with. Then next we have our pin for the month, and this one is a little black candle with a pentacle on it and like a glow around the flame up the top here. It's just got one pin on the back, so it will spin possibly, although it doesn't seem to be spinning easily on this card, so hopefully it wouldn't if you wore it. That is our enamel pin. Then next we have this. It has no little card with it or anything, so I did have to look in the book. But this is just like a little engraved circle of wood, and it says that this is a black walnut spell workboard. Black walnut is associated with wisdom, inspiration, clarity and focus. We designed this high quality spell workboard for you to work your magic. So this is just a little kind of board to do spells on and stuff like that. It has like snakes and leaves and flowers and all different things engraved around the outside of it. Then next again we have this, and this didn't have anything like little cards or anything for this one either, but this is an embroidered wall hanging, it says in the book. So let's have a look at this. Oh, it's very tiny. I was expecting it to be a tiny bit bigger than that, honestly. We just have this very cute little mini pennant. It's got like a cauldron and a moon on there. It just says, a magical hanging to grace the walls of your sacred space, a bubbling cauldron spell being cast under the crescent moon. So it is very cute. It is embroidered and everything, and it's black. Very, very, very small though. So we have that little wall hanging. And then we only have one item left before some incense and a scroll, and that is an ornate altar box. It says, designed by us exclusively for you, use this enchanting box to hold your small altar curiosities and oddities. Oh, this is pretty though. Very nice. So it's a little metal box and has a little lid on it like this. And it's got a little pentacle on the top, and then all this like filigree and flowers and leaves and stuff engraved around it. It says witch casket underneath. It is very, very heavy as well. So that's pretty. I do like that. Would be a cute little jewellery box as well, or something if you didn't want to use it for witch magic-y kind of purposes. It's a very cute little ornate altar box. And then we have some incense sticks. So these ones are negativity banishing incense, lavender and rosemary. And it says, light the incense and affirm, I banish negativity from this space. Rosemary and lavender cleanse this place. Bad vibes be gone, leave no trace. So, don't love incense as always. They smell very incense to me, like very classic incense smell. But that is our negativity banishing incense. And then we have our little scroll. So I will undo this and hold it up in case anyone wants to pause and read it. This one is raising the vibrations of your sacred space. So and yeah, that was everything in the December Sacred Space Witch Casket. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little wooden altar board, the altar blessing candle spell kit, the little mini art print or manifestations card, the black salt ash collector, little incense holder, the embroidered little wall hanging flag, the altar bell, the lava kite stone, the little mini enamel pin, the incense sticks, the scroll, and the ornate altar box as well. So all of these things in the December Witch Casket box. I don't hate this one. It is okay. A little tiny bit more empty than the previous few, I would say. The October box was really, really good and full, so I feel like we were kind of due one that was a little lesser. I do love though when they put a calendar or something like that for the next year in the December box. I feel like they were always my favourite ones to get, so a little tiny bit disappointed that we don't have a calendar this month. Not sure it necessarily even correlates with like a new year kind of thing, this theme. But it is okay though. The little box was really cute, the belly's really cute, the stone is really pretty, so definitely not one of the worst ones. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below anyway, if you got this one or not. And I will put all of the information in the description box for Witch Casket as well, in case you want to go and check them out. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.